Say my name.
DeAndre.
The one and only.
When they see me, they know that every day when I'm breathing, it's for us to go farther. You know, every time I speak, I want the truth to come out.
Yo, what's going on, man? How y'all feeling out there today, man? Yo, we got another rock reaction here, man. Deftones, man. Rosemary. All right, got the lyrics pulled up. 6 minutes, 54 seconds, man. A lot of y'all telling me to check this out. Got a couple DMs from y'all. Listen, man, you ask and you shall receive, man. I'm here with it, and that's what we gonna do. I think I reacted to a few Deftones tracks on the channel, and I rock with them. You see what I did there? I rock with them. I rock with them, man. They dope. You know, I expect nothing less, man. Let's see what they got in the tank for this, man. Shout out to all of y'all, man. Shout out to everybody, all my supporters, man. I really rock with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Keep it up. Run them likes up, man. Follow your boy on all the socials, man. We about to start going crazy over on Twitch right here, man. All right, make sure y'all go and follow the Twitch. I'm gonna have it linked in the pinned comment. All right. And with that, let's get it, man.
There's no sound but the engine's drum. Our minds set free to
The hell is that? Yeah, I like this, man. I like how the guitar seemed very echoey and washed out, but you can still hear it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it seems very staggered and echoey. Like, if y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, it just seems very just, I don't know, trippy in a way. You know what I mean? But it sounds good. It definitely sounds hella good. I even go, cat, see, I like it.
as we cross the empty
Yeah, man, the chorus be getting me, man. I like that. I like this, man. I like this. I really do, man. Shout out to y'all for requesting it, man. Real talk. This shit's actually dope. It is dope. Especially, it's really the guitars and that drowned out echoey sound that's really like taking it from me. That's really what it is. The vocals is cool too, you know what I'm saying, for what he's doing over the song, over the instrumentals and everything. But it's really that, man. It's the sound right there. Hey, hey, hey. Whoa. It's just a black screen. Okay. I rock with that, man. I like that. That song was dope. That song was really cool, man. It was just, you know, it was just a nice sound to it. I can't even really lie. Like, it was just dope, man. All right, but let me know what you thought about this down below in the comments, man. Link to this will be down in the description for you to check it out for yourself, man. With that, stay lit. Believe in God, believe in yourself, man. Everything else will work out for itself, man. Peace.